I hope everyone is aware about the VPNs after watching our channel now. If not, then let me explain you shortly in this video. Today our topic is all about VPNs and how many countries are using VPNs currently in 2022. Without any delay, let's get started. But before going into the stats, let me give you a small brief about VPNs. What is VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, which provides an encrypted server to the individuals for hiding their IP addresses from government agencies and internet service providers. To make you understand it easily, it provides you secure browsing even if you are using public network and a shared Wi-Fi. Then what is the purpose of using a VPN? There are a number of purposes of using a VPN, but major of them are: VPN secures your browsing information and saves you from the hacker attacks on your system. VPN allows the users to hide their IP addresses for accessing blocked sites and streaming websites. Private companies recommend their employees to complete their work using a VPN in order to secure highly confidential information from hackers. Now here the most awaited question comes: how many people are using a VPN worldwide? Don't be shocked by the numbers, but it is fact that more than 785 million people are using VPNs. According to a report, VPN downloads have increased from 277 million to 785 million between 2020 and 2021. 85 selected countries have given that the number of VPN users is increasing every year by 2 times. The global VPN market has increased from 2.7 billion USD to 8.7 billion USD from the year 2016 to 2022. It means in just 6 years it has increased more than 3 times. Now I have compiled a table for you to understand the number of VPN users in some popular countries. The top 10 countries which have the highest number of VPN users with respect to the population of the countries are Qatar, UAE, Singapore, Oman, Kuwait, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, Algeria, Bolivia, Saudi Arabia. Qatar ranked first in position with 2 million VPN users in its population of 2.88 million. The list given here shows the total population of 10 countries and the VPN users in that population. According to recent surveys, 68% of the internet users in the USA are using VPNs for their personal use as well as a work requirement. Every year, 142 million users are using VPNs all across the globe. In India, 3.28% of the population used VPNs in 2020, but now it has increased to 25.27% of the population using VPNs for their personal and professional use. Rapidly increasing number of VPN users in India made the Indian government restrict the VPN providers and VPN companies with guidelines. You can check the latest news update about it in the I button. Now let me tell you, in some countries VPN is completely banned. So if any of these in your fly list, do not use VPN, otherwise you could land in serious troubles. So the countries are Belarus, Iraq, North Korea, Turkmenistan. And now here are some countries which restrict VPN usage, still people use it. And the countries are China, Iran, Oman, Russia, Turkey and UAE. So that's all guys for today's video. I hope you liked it. Show some support by liking the video and sharing it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the information like this. Sharing is caring. Thank you.